twice, you might want to What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you on how to make universal split screen. So I have universal split screen here. This is quick start here, and then installation, and then they will show you on how to set up. I will show you later, and then it will, if you want to download, it will go to GitHub, and then you can download it here. So what I got here is universal split screen. I can run it, and then what I'm gonna split screen here, I'm gonna split screen this game, this old game, Pizza Frenzy. So I'm gonna click it twice, so it will run twice. For new game, you might want to use Sandboxy to run the game twice. So here on this window, I'm gonna click this window and then set my mouse here, and then I'm gonna click this window and then use my other mouse to set mouse here. So you can see this is, the number is different. So I'm gonna start split screen here, and then yes. And then you can see I can use my mouse and then my another mouse for this game here. So for example, as you can see, I can run this game twice. You might want to scale these windows and so on. So yeah. For laptop, you might want to change the stop button. For my laptop, it is under the right key arrow button, and here you can see I use different mouse and keyboard. So it is better if you have two keyboard and two mouse. Then this is I use different mouse, and then this is I use mouse and then my laptop keyboard. So you might want to change this option to about Borderland or Save Together. It have different setting here. You can click and then you can look, and you might want to use two monitor for your PC. Maybe you want to play back with your friend and so on. So thank you for watching.